Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to trace circus words. Let's start. The circus. Welcome to the greatest show on earth. Trace the circus words. Look at the first picture. Tent. T-E-N-T. Let's trace tent. T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Look at the second picture. Clown. C-L-O-W-N. Let's trace clown. C-L-O-W-N, clown. C-L-O-W-N. Look at the next picture. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Look at the next picture. Ringmaster. R-I-N-G-M-A-S-T-E-R. Ring master. M-A-S-T-E-R. Ring master. Look at the next picture. Ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T, ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T, ticket. Look at the next picture. Popcorn. P-O-P-C-O-R-N. Popcorn. Popcorn. P-O-P-C-O-R-N. Popcorn. Look at the next picture. Cannon. C-A-N-O-N. Cannon. C-A-N-O-N, cannon. Look at the next picture. Carousel. C-A-R-O-U-S-E-L, carousel. C-A-R-O-U-S-E-L, carousel. Look at the next picture. Magician. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N, magician. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N, magician. Let's repeat again. Tent. Clown. Horse. Ringmaster. Ticket. Popcorn. Cannon. Carousel. Magician. Well done, kids. Excellent. Good job. You are doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.